Today I'll show you two super easy ways of scanning your QR code. Both of them are very convenient and fast, and watch it till the end. I'll give you some tips on your optimized QR code scanning. So first of all, the first way of doing this is through your camera app. So open up your camera app. Now make sure to locate your settings. Usually it's a gear icon. And here make sure to activate your scan QR code. There it is, it's activated already. So let's do this. Grab our QR code, show it to camera, and as you see, it automatically detects, and the only thing which is left is to tap on this link and you will be prompted to the content of this QR code. Great, this was the first way, and the second way is to swipe down from the top of your screen. So here you will be able to locate your scan QR code option. If you're not able to locate it, tap on the pencil icon and add it here. Usually it's pre-installed on all of the modern phones, so tap on this option and basically the process is pretty much the same. So bring your QR code into view, it will scan it. Now you can copy, share it, or open your link and find the contents of your QR code. And here is a little tip on scanning your QR codes, because usually you will do this through your camera. If the QR code is not being scanned for some reason, you may try to adjust your camera. So zoom it, unzoom it, try to focus on it, you will catch it immediately. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.